mu mawulire agakagwawo breaking news waliwo omuwendo gwa bannayuganda abamanyiddwa nga bano bawerera ddala 27 nga bano bali stuck mu ggwanga erimanyiddwa nga Myanmar abangi lyemumanyi nga Bama. Eggwanga eryo kigambibwa nti waliyo bannayuganda bano nga bawambibwa bali mu ggwanga erya Myanmar wabula nga kati batulugunyizibwa ng'ate ebyama bitandise okuba nga bizuuka nti kati baweebwayo mu mikono egy'abayeekera mu ggwanga erya Myanmar n'erimu ku mawanga agaliraanyeewo wabula nga bano bwe baweebwayo batulugunyizibwa babakuba babakola kumpi buli kikolobero ky'omanyi wabula ekisinza okuba nga kyennyamiza kigambibwa nti gavumenti y'eggwanga erya Uganda tefuddeeyo era kigambibwa nti erabika terina wiringi kubeera ng'etaasa bannayuganda bano abali mu kubeera nga bayita mu mbeera ey'obunkenke mu ggwanga lyenkugambye baliyita Myanmar abangi eggwanga eryo mulimanyi nga Bama. Wetwogerera nga minisita ow'ekisiikirize avunaanyizibwa ku nsonga z'ebweru w'eggwanga amanyiddwa nga Honorable Muwadanku Nyingi ono nga shadow minister oba kye tuyita minisita ow'ekisiikirize kubanga memba mu kibiina ekya National Unity Platform era ng'ono abeera akola ku lwa His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Kakati meya minisita ono shadow minister ow'ensonga z'ebweru w'eggwanga amanyiddwa nga Honorable Muwadanku Nyingi nga yakiikirira abantu ba Kyaddondo East era nga yeyaddira His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu mu parliament mu kifo ekyo yavuddeyo n'agezaako okuba nga raisinga ku ddoboozi lye nga bw'ogenda okuwulira mu katambi wabula bino abasinga obungi temunnaba kubeera nga mubimanya ku nsalosalo ezimu ez'eggwanga lino limanyiddwa nga Myanmar oba Bama abangi eggwanga eryo mulimanyi nga Bama. Kigambibwa nti bannayuganda bangi abawulira ddala 27 n'abamu ng'omuwendo gwabwe tegunnaba kubeera nga gwogerwako bano baawambibwa era batulugunyizibwa kumpi buli kaseera ng'ate tebakoma mu kutulugunyizibwa babakwata ne babawaayo mu mikono gy'abayeekera abayeekera ne babakozesa bye baagala era ebikolobero ebyo omukulu ono minisita ow'ensonga z'ebweru w'eggwanga ow'ekisiikirize mu gavumenti ya His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu ono eyaakava mu buwambe kubanga jjukira yali yawambibwa abasajja bajjaati mu kalulu ak'e Kawempe North bwe baali bagenda okuba nga bakampeiningira kanso Erias Lwimbazi Nalukoola. Ebbanga lino lino badde bamuwambira nga bino tewali muntu n'omu abyogerako. Kakati Muwadanku Nyingi olumaze okubeera nga atereeramu oluvannyuma lw'abasajja abaali bamuwamba n'abaako information endala gy'aleeta era ebimu ku bigambo bye njagala owulire abyogedde era nga wembikugambye njagala kuba nga nkuwa akatambike ogende mu maaso n'okuba nga obiwuliriza oluvannyuma nzije tugenda kubeera nga ate tweyongerayo mukutu gwa Red Zone TV bwe bali kuba nga okyagoberera bina gy'osinzira okuba nga gy'otulabira oba tonaba kuba nga osubscribinga kikole tubeere nga ate tutambula ffenna.
This is a statement in respect to 27 identified Uganda nationals stranded in Myanmar on Myanmar-Thailand border. For several months and years, addressed and raised the concern over Uganda nationals who were trafficked and who continue to be trafficked to Myanmar. Unfortunately, those who are trafficked report that they are handed over to rebels within Myanmar borders. As the Shadow Minister of Foreign Affairs, I have received numerous distress calls from Uganda nationals held by rebels in Myanmar seeking rescue and repatriation. By today, the 12th of March 2025, 27 Uganda nationals whose names and Uganda passport numbers are listed herein have revealed to me the following. One, that they were trafficked to Myanmar and handed over to rebels who continue to mistreat them. That the rebels have indicated willingness to release them under ongoing international pressure that has seen various other nationalities released and handed over to Thailand. In the recent weeks and months, there has been international pressure on Myanmar rebels, and that saw release of various nationalities. To my knowledge, only 6 Ugandans managed to cross from Myanmar to Thailand and handed over to Thailand military. But as we speak, another 27 identified Ugandan nationals remain on the other side of Myanmar, still held in rebel camps, but with willingness, according to them, to be released if some conditions are met. That their location currently, these 27 Ugandan nationals, is on Myanmar-Thailand border and would only be released or allowed to cross the waters from Myanmar to Thailand, if they have, first of all, air return tickets, proof that they will get feeding if they cross to Thailand, and also proof that there is availability of ground transport. which I'm told they prefer a bus. Now, with those proof, these 27 Ugandans could now be allowed to cross from Myanmar to Thailand for subsequent repatriation. I'm told and briefed by these 27 Ugandan nationals that they have contacted the Uganda embassy in Malaysia, which has since failed to avail the required support for them. That the embassy briefed them that they have no resources or money and government hasn't supported it to rescue them or repatriate them. Several other countries have repatriated their nationals under the ongoing program. And those who remain detained in Myanmar and amidst the Myanmar rebels, they reveal that they are tortured, battered, women raped, and they are forced into cyber crimes, among others. You must defraud someone in a day to avoid torture. And they have a darker room, ground rooms where they are taken, and some are reported to have died. The following are the Uganda nationals, the 27 currently on the Myanmar side, in need of rescue. Namwanje Sara, the passport number is listed here. Nayube Fauzia, Johnson, Sari Johnson, Kalimini Junior, Mohammed Senyonga, Nshekanabo Galileo, Rose Bamugabane, Chimera Musa Zake, Tushemeire Rona, Namuga Lydia, Tiko Brenda, Muzaki Justin, Kawesi Michael, Nyamwe Ivan Sande, Namukwaya Jalia, Kamya Elia, Nabanja Florence, Kibirango Geoffrey, Muchibi John, Nantumbwe Trace, Nakasolia Letitia, Luwalila Enoke Nyombi, Habiba Muhammad, Nanyonjo Caroline, Karunji Debola Nice Adrona, Mohindo Arosias, Lanuero Faith Victoria. Now these 27 are among the so many. It is very tricky to trace identities of Ugandans who are stranded or who are trafficked or who are suffering in Myanmar. But these 27, we have since identified them and even reached out to them. They are in urgent need of repatriation and rescue. I want to call upon the Minister of Foreign Affairs and Uganda government generally to urgently take all possible measures towards the rescue and repatriation of these stranded Uganda nationals. Their urgent need per Thailand authorities is air travel, bus transport or ground transport, and then proof that they will have access to food if allowed to cross to Thailand. Other countries have since rescued their nationals. We must see Uganda government efforts towards rescuing Uganda nationals. And we are aware Uganda has a national carrier. What does it take for Uganda Airline to go and repatriate these 27 Ugandans who are stranded amid its rebel hands and complaining of torture? Uganda Foreign Affairs Ministry must as well offer travel advice and trafficking awareness as we strive to rescue a particular group. Another group is reportedly trafficked. There must be deliberate efforts to curb trafficking, and people must be made aware of the repercussions and the security situations in those other countries. Otherwise, it is regrettable. We want to assure Uganda nationals in the diaspora and globally that we shall stand and continue to advocate for their plight as long as we live, at least as people who are focused on change, human rights and democratic governance in this country, putting the people of Uganda and their lives as the principal concern for us in governance. Thank you.